sana to my YouTube channel, The School of Mathematics, the place to be. Sasa leo nataka tuangalie hii swali ya miaka. I can assure you utaipata kwa most of the mathematics question, na najua kidogo unasikianga unaona kajasho kanaanza kutoka, but don't you worry. You know what? Collins got you. Twende kazi. Sasa, in the question I've been told, 3 years ago, Juma was 3 times as old as Ali. In 2 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 62. Determine their present ages. Determine their present ages. So when given such a question, I want you to start by drawing a table. This is what I mean. Ukuwe na present, future, and past. Past, present, and future. So let's start. 3 years ago, Juma was 3 times as old as Ali. We have Juma and we have Ali. So Juma denote by J, Ali denote by A. 3 years ago, so tuko hapa. Past. 3 years ago. How old was he? 3 times as old as Ali. So let's say Ali was X years old. That means Juma is going to be 3x. 3 times as old as Ali. But he ni 3 years ago. So let's come from the past tuende to the present. So what am I going to do? To come to the present, hizo miaka tatu ziko nyuma nitaziongezea mbele. So that is going to be 3x plus 3 and hapa x plus 3 for both of them, because si wote wanazeka na kimiaka. Exactly. Now, in 2 years time, the sum of their ages will be 62. In 2 years time. So that is going to be the future. And we are in 2 years plus. So in 2 years time, kama saizi uko 30, in 2 years time utakuwa ngapi? 32. So the same case hapa. Assuming hii ndio 30 yako, unaongezea miaka mbili. So this is what I'm going to do. Add 2 years here, add another 2. So hii itakuwa 3x. If you add 2 unapata 5. Also for this one, add 2x plus 3 plus 2 is going to give you 5. So allow me to rub here, nisikuchanganye. So we have our future, and I've been told in 2 years time the sum of the ages will be 62. So this plus this is supposed to give you 62. And from this part we can be able to find the value of x. Therefore 3x plus 5 plus the years for Ali, x plus 5 is equals to 62. 3x plus x, 4x, 5 plus 5, 10, 62. Take 10 to the other side, negative 10. 62 minus 10, 52. 4x is equals to 52. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 52 divided by 4, 13. X is equals to 13. Now, we have our value of x, and I've been told determine their present ages. So present ni wapi? This center row over here. So input the value of x. So let me rub at this point. Input the values of x. So for Juma, it is going to be 3 multiplied by 13 plus 3. 13 times 3, 39 plus 3, 42. As for Ali, x is 13. 13 plus 3, 16. And there you go. Juma is 42 years old and Ali is 16 years old. So the next time ukiona swali kama hii, relax. Nimekufunza the table format. Fanya swali kwa utaratibu and assure you utapita mtihani. Sawa sawa kurugenzi, next time.